Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change font on Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. This is Wix editor page. I'm going to home page to show you. So this is my home page. Now if you want to change the font, now you can see here this is a paragraph. So click on this, double click on this, and you'll find here edit text. Click on edit text, then you can see here font size, and here you can see fonts. Click on fonts, this drop down menu, and you can choose any font you want. Okay, I'm choosing this one. You can see the font has been changed. So this is how you can change font in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.